In this lecture, I am going to teach you count and index methods related with tuples.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, I am going to open a new Python file, give it a name, any name. I am going to give it the name, suppose tuple 6. Okay, so let me first give the command. So it's going to be like count and index functions, or you can call them methods, and we will see what do they do. First, let me take a tuple. City is equal to New Delhi, comma. I'm going to give name of another city, suppose Mumbai. Then let me give a name New Jersey and another name New Delhi. So I am repeating New Delhi. So we will see that count function, what does it do is it will count the total number of occurrences of a particular item. So how to use it? I would write cities.count, then two arguments are going to be there. The first thing I will do is cities.count. I am going to print the number of counts. So I would write print cities.count New Delhi. So what it will do is it will find the occurrence of the string New Delhi from the tuple cities. As you can see, the output is 2. We have executed the program and we have seen the output is 2. Why? Because New Delhi appears twice in this tuple. Twice. So that is why the count function has returned 2. Okay. So now we will see. I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to change the name of the city, that is the value of the item. Now I have given the name Kurukshetra, which does not happen to be present in the tuple. Now we will see what happens. I'm going to run the program and you can see it's showing 0. Why? Because Kurukshetra string does not appear anywhere in the tuple. Okay. So next what we are going to do is we are going to use print, and then let me write cities, the name of the tuple, dot index. I'm going to use the index function, cities dot index Mumbai. Now what does index function do is it will return the index number of the item that has been given as an argument. So it will find Mumbai. So then it will return its index. So index of Mumbai is 1. Let's see whether it gives the right result or not. Yes, the result is 1. Why? Because the index number of Mumbai is 1. Okay. Now we will try another thing. We will give the name of suppose we are going to give the name of this string New Delhi, which happens to be present 2 times. Always remember, in such cases what happens is it will give the index number of the very first occurrence. So in this example 0 is going to be printed, and I am going to execute the program. Okay, run it. So see, 0 is being printed. 0 is going to be printed because the first occurrence of New Delhi is at index number 0. So cities dot index. Now I am going to write Kurukshetra. I have given the value of an item that does not exist. So we are going to execute it. Yeah, you can see there is an error. And what is that error? The error is tuple.index x not in tuple. So here value of x is Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is not in the tuple. So right error message is being displayed. So this is how count and index functions related with tuples they work.